In this short tutorial, you will learn how to close background running apps on a Samsung device. Many times, apps continue running in the background even after you exit them, and you might even not realize it. This can slow down your device's performance and drain its battery faster. Hence, it is essential to know how to properly close these background running apps. To get started, tap on these three lines at the bottom left corner of the screen. Now you can swipe through and see all of the apps running in the background on your Samsung device. You can close these apps one by one or all at once. To close a specific app, simply go over and find that app, and then swipe up, just like this. The app is closed and no longer running in the background. If you have a lot of apps running in the background, tap on the Close All button at the bottom center to close them all at once. And now there are no apps running in the background on my Samsung device. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.